welcome back. This is problem 6 of the 2005 AMC 10A. The average or mean of 20 numbers is 30, and the average of 30 other numbers is 20. What is the average of all 50 numbers? Total amounts of these numbers, so we know that there's 20 numbers, and if the average is 30, we know that there's just going to be that's what the total is going to sum up to, right? So like, for example, if I had the numbers 1, 3, 6, 10, and 13, I would find the mean like this. So the average would be what? 33 divided by 5, which is just 6.6. And if I times that by 6.6, we'll get the total, right? This is just an example, 33.0, which was what we got here. So the mean, and note this, the mean times the total numbers in a set is how, like, all the numbers added up. Okay. So the 20 numbers, where the average is 30, is 600, and same thing here, 30 times 20 is 600. So adding up all the numbers, all 50 numbers, we have 1,200. But we're asked the average, right, of all 50 numbers. So we just divide this by 50. 120 over 5 is just 24. Our answer should be B, 24. Thanks for watching. Hope I see you in my next video.